This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pamela Ratfield. Come home to your beautiful resort style gated condo with 2 master suites. Open floor plan with 9 feet ceilings with a lot of natural light. Private storage area. Resort style pool, putting green, fitness center, barbecue and picnic area. Close to dining, shopping, golfing, beaches, Viera Regional Park, Kennedy Space Center and Port Canaveral. So much to do within minutes of your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Ratfield at 321-308-3244.